Most utilities are down in this area, which is maybe at most using data for business intelligence.
Two absolutely strong trends. One is digitalization and one is climate change.
Regulation control system, you need some data, then you can connect it over the SCADA system.
The smart contracts overall are all the kind of agreements you can get through the blockchain.
With developers that are employees of Energi, and then they look for, hey, where we can help, what tool is possible to be developed.
Providing operation and maintenance and monitoring system within different industries and different machineries.
Digitalization and data is really the key to the future of hydropower. It's providing the necessary insights, the necessary actions.
When it comes to predictive maintenance and digitalization, and most I'm going to talk about people are at the level where people can start to use it.
Engineering team centralized on our headquarters with one specialist for each critical equipment.
Mainly solar, wind and hydro generation. We can see that a huge increase, for example, in solar.
I took this German case in 2012 where you see where was the forecast and where was the actual realization.
We started using our technology for specific sectors in civil market, so fintech, banking and insurance, as well as critical infrastructures like power grids, hydropower plants, etc.
The approach has been to combining generator and operator maintenance expert knowledge with new technology as data science and machine learning.
Here are some terms like leadership. So you have to discuss with management what their position is on cybersecurity.
And the yellow line is the increase of PV installed capacity. From almost zero to the same, to a much higher capacity than hydropower.
It's very interesting presentations and yeah, good networking as well.
I would say 100% relevant for the things we're working with. So I can meet other companies here which are working with things similar to us. We get to see what the others are doing. It's very inspirational.
Yes, do we have a problem? Yes, and I try to address this in my talk a little bit.
So the cybersecurity applied to power plants or power grids for industrial reasons, for any kind of reasons which may have a big impact on the economy.
What is the panel's thought of how does Linux? Is it exactly the same?
This is the kind of threat that is real, and that's also what makes it very hard to protect against what you don't know what it is, basically.
I think the great thing is that you see beyond the own country. I think that there are happenings taking place or conferences taking place within the country, but the thing is here you are international, and I think it's always a good thing.
It's a very small, intimate group that really encourages and allows conversation and lots of interaction and communication with each other. You know, my standard is by the end of 2 days, I know everybody's first name.
I would recommend that being here the next time. Yeah.